In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to read this volume indicator report on the edgeful app. So what we're looking at here is SPY, and we're looking at the trailing 5 years. So January 2019 to January 2024. So what this report measures is the volume in the first 15 minutes and how that correlates to the volume for the rest of the day. So here's the average volume for the first 15 minutes, and here is the average volume for the rest of the day. So there's clearly a very high correlation of 0.79, which means that if the first 15 minutes has higher than average volume, you have a very strong expectation that the rest of the day will have higher than average volume. So I'll kind of go into more detail here. So this is the average. So the first 15 minutes has an average of 4.6 million in volume. Let's say today has 6 million in volume, which is way more. Then you can expect the rest of the day to also have way more volume. And the same is the opposite. So if today had 3 million in volume in the first 15 minutes, you can expect for the rest of the day to have much lower volume as well, because the correlation is very high. So how do you use this in your trading? Well, if you prefer and if your strategy is better for high volume environments, then you can use this to say, okay, I'll wait the first 15 minutes so I can have an understanding of what the rest of the day will look like. And if the first 15 minutes is low volume, maybe you size down. If it's higher volume, maybe you size up, or maybe that's a trigger to say, okay, I'm going to trade today. So this report really allows you to paint a picture for the rest of the day in the first 15 minutes. So if you ever have any questions, there's also more explanation here, and there's a little further explanation right here. But you can always reach out to support or hello@edgeful.com.